Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with 911 Studios and we are going over some of our favorite bread makers on Amazon. This is from KBS. It's one of my favorites. You guys check out how beautiful this is. Stainless steel, absolutely gorgeous appliance, and it's really good at baking bread. And not just baking bread, and before you turn this off, if you think you're not much of a bread baker, let me tell you, KBS, that's why you need it. They take out all of the guesswork. It makes it so easy to make perfect baked goods every single time. And it's not just bread, you guys. It does cakes and rolls and loaves of bread, and you can do jam and yogurt, meatloaf, like so many possibilities. It's a really versatile piece of equipment and it makes it exactly to your specifications, exactly what you need. You see all of these fun dials and settings over here. It makes like lightly done baked goods, medium, all the way to like kind of the darker, crispier, crunchier, depending on what you're in the mood for. It also can make small, medium, and large batches. There are 17 different choice functions for the different types of things that you might be making, and that's how easy it is to get the perfect baked good every time. You just put your ingredients in and select your settings. It's that easy. You guys, so there are two specific features that I really like about the KBS that are just really fun. One is the delayed start time. I've seen a lot of bread makers that have delayed start times before, but the KBS one is absolutely foolproof. They make it really, really easy. Like, all you have to do, say at night, it's 9 o'clock, you are getting ready for bed, and you just put your ingredients in. And again, these ingredients, it's going to follow the same pattern every single time, no matter what your recipe is. You are going to put in your liquid, then your flour, then your sugar, salt, and yeast. It's going to be that every single time in that order. Make your selections, and then you end up with a perfect baked good. It's really, really easy. With this, you can select your delayed start timer. So say you were making cinnamon bread, you put your ingredients in at 9 o'clock at night, and then set your delayed start timer. 8 a.m., you are waking up to fresh cinnamon bread. Who is not jumping out of bed excited for fresh, hot cinnamon bread? Amazing. So, second really cool thing, say you want to make that cinnamon raisin bread. The KBS has this little compartment in top where you fit in like your fruit, nuts, whatever your fun bread add-ins are going to be. You fit them in there and they will add them for you at the exact correct time in baking to where they're just integrated perfectly and everything is cooked perfectly. So if I want to put raisins or walnuts or whatever else into my bread, I put them in that little compartment and they are going to come in at the exact right moment, and I'm going to be waking up to fresh cinnamon raisin bread in the morning. You guys, get the KBS. You are going to be so happy you did. Get to baking bread. You're gonna love it.